Hello everyone, this is Butch and Lucy.
The flower. Wow, what's wrong with the flower? Because
Hello
it's going to
Adrian,
spill
happy
and
birthday.
Thank you.
Happy
Welcome.
birthday!
You guys should have went to the haunted house with us yesterday. The one we went to was really good.
Was it?
No way, not
I
me.
was scared. Me and Mia was screaming.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was fun.
That'd
It was
be
worth the
fun.
money because the one we went last weekend
It was terrible.
not
Huh?
worth the money. It was horrible. I was called the haunted house or something like that.
Here.
It was Ikea.
Killed.
You got shot and killed in real life?
Oh yeah, someone got shot yesterday over there, across the neck. Some crackheads, I guess,
Wow.
shot.
As in Canton?
No, we were in Akron.
Akron.
I was
Wow.
in the ghetto.
Ghetto? Wow.
Holy cow!
Crackheads were fighting it out in the street.
Wow.
There was like 5 pops.
Oh my god.
That'd
That's
be
not good.
scary.
Mom, that flat plate is fine for that.
It's okay, Anna. Because you have this and you have this, corn beans, pork and beans.
Doesn't that look good?
Look at the bill. Daddy, you want us to share a picture of it?
How young are you, Adrian?
42.
42. Wow.
40
Yeah, but don't watch him. He's only 24.
There we go. Yeah, he's 24.
Come on,
Okay.
kid.
He's,
Kid.
he's 24.
Kid, sorry.
He's not 42.
Sorry,
He's
kid.
24. That's the numbers we like.
How many
24.
ribs do you want?
Okay.
Mom.
Yes. Yes, anak mo. Dad, stop.
Stop.
Yeah, please.
Why?
Cause why do you
It's
want to
me,
do me like
Go
that?
in. What is
You want
we're
rice?
That's only us.
Come on and eat.
Why you like to eat? You have to eat.
Don't be bashful. Got yourself a plate.
I'm not ready. You want
Pork and beans.
See?
You don't have enough ribs.
Boy, that's a lot of egg roll. You have to get more egg roll.
Okay,
I told you,
guys,
you were
take
you
care
were
of
another
this.
plate. Oh my god, you're stubborn.